Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm making number-shaped cake toppers with vegan meringue. If you're new to my channel and enjoy this type of content, then I hope you subscribe today. Let's start with this recipe. I've drained 2 cans of chickpeas and kept the water overnight in the fridge. By the way, I use the term aquafaba, which refers to this chickpea water interchangeably. I poured the about 1.5 cups of aquafaba in my stand mixer bowl and beat this for about 10 minutes until it reaches the soft peak stage. Then I pour in about half a cup of sugar and 1 pack of vanilla sugar into this. And beat it for another 5 minutes until it's thick, creamy, firm, and glossy. The perfect meringue, except for this one, even better, is vegan. I use about 1/5 of this total meringue to make 2 cake toppers. So first I set some aside and color it in pink, and I'm using gel-based food color. Here I'm using the brand Rainbow Dust. I've printed out a template, which by the way you can download from my website, and I'll provide the link below, and placed it under a piece of parchment paper, and I'm going to pipe the numbers with the meringue on this. And by the way, I'm using a Wilton Tip 6B. Then I stick a wooden skewer into each one of these numbers. I had set some meringue aside and colored it in yellow and green, and I'm decorating these numbers with these different colors. For the yellow decoration, I'm using a closed star small tip. There's no brand on this one, and then for the green leaves, I'm using a Gem Tip 352. Then finally, I'm going to decorate them with some golden sugar pearls. And now these meringue number toppers are going to go into the oven to dry for about 75 minutes at 210 Fahrenheit. And then I'm just going to leave them in the oven for another 30 minutes. When they come out of the oven, they're going to be perfectly hard like typical egg white meringue and ready to be placed on any birthday cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this creative idea. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.